up, guys? Happy New Year, 2020. We thought are you dancing?
Yeah.
We thought we'd put together a video of our most eager to ride. I don't know how to phrase this. Look
at it this way. There's a bunch of new coasters come out in 2020.
Yes.
You can walk into a park and magically they're all there.
Yes.
Which would we ride from least to the best?
To the best.
To our first choice.
Well put.
That's how you do it.
Yes.
So imagine that.
That's right. So these are, coasters of 2020. What do we want to ride the most?
Our most anticipated that we want to ride of the new coasters in 2020.
5-1.
Starting at
well
5.
Said. Okay, I'm going to start the list. My number 5, I'm going to look down at my list. It's Demonium at Hershey Park.
Demonium.
That's right. It's a B&M hypercoaster. Looks fantastic. Finally, they decided to build a candy-themed coaster.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a great layout. It goes around a Hershey Kiss fountain, which
is
great. Mm-hmm. That's my number 5.
Looks like a goodie.
Mm-hmm.
B&M Hypers never disappoint. Like, you know what you're going to get, but
yes.
they don't disappoint.
Right. Yes.
Generally, besides Nitro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My number 5 is Texas Stingray, that GCI Butte at Six Flags. SeaWorld San Antonio.
Yes.
Not Six Flags San Antonio. SeaWorld San Antonio.
Yeah. It does look great.
I love those trains. Oh,
yes.
man. Those trains
trains they released they showed a train off at the IAAPA, whatever. IAPA. Yeah. And down in Florida, the trains look excellent. It's got an actual Stingray on the front. GCI, they make great wooden coasters. Big fan.
Oh, yeah. I won't get down there this year, but I want to ride it.
Yeah, that's actually my number 4 is Texas Stingray.
Sweet.
We went to SeaWorld in San Antonio this past summer. Really liked the park a lot.
Yeah.
Steel Eel's a lot of fun.
Yes. Love the colors.
Wave Breaker was fun. They had Great White. Yeah, but Texas Stingray looks really good. I think it'd probably be, if not the best coaster in the park, second best.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with the GCI wooden coaster. It looks like it has a great layout.
Biggest, longest, fastest wooden coaster in Texas.
Yep.
Which is not saying anything.
Yeah, because there's only like 2 or 3, but
yeah,
it looks really good.
Yeah.
So well done, SeaWorld.
Good ad.
Yes.
My number 4 is Pantheon at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Looks like fun.
It does.
Yeah, I mean, how many launches? 2 launches? 2 or 3 launches?
I think 3 launches.
It has the spike, of course, where you shoot up the spike, go halfway up, back, then it shoots you over the top hat finally, right? Is that how it works?
Yes. So you got an initial launch,
comes
launch
back
backwards, and then a full launch over the top hat down to the Rhine River.
But even after the top hat, there's still quite a bit of coaster after that.
Yeah, there is. Yeah.
There's a lot of good coaster after it.
I'm going to piggyback onto you because Pantheon's my number 3
this guy's
coaster.
Such a copier.
I know. I think
Just an icebreaker.
Well, Icebreaker didn't make my list. Spoiler alert. But it does look fun. And this list aside, though, SeaWorld, they're doing an impressive amount in 2020. So it's up to them.
They were almost bankrupt. Like what?
Right.
Like a couple years ago.
A couple years ago, but it seems like they're spilling all their money into roller coasters. Hopefully it pays off for them. So,
I hope so.
But yeah, I think Pantheon looks really cool. I love Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. I think the theming is going to be good because Busch Gardens does a good job with that. But it kind of has that Roman gods theming. The best part of the ride looks like it's going to be the top hat going down to the Rhine River. I think there's 1 or 2 inversions. 2 inversions, I think.
Something like that.
Maybe 3. But it looks really good.
Yeah.
So that's my number 3.
Yeah. Looks good. Am I number 3?
Yes.
My number 3 is Demonium.
Okay.
It's a B&M hyper. They're safe. It looks good. I like airtime. I like out and backs. Enough said. You're number 2.
Well, in general, too, I'm excited to check out the whole new entry plaza.
Looks good.
And new Hershey store and the restaurants and everything. Yeah. I've never been to Hershey, so I'm excited to go to the park in general.
Yeah, I kind of like the classic look of the
previous one.
Old one now. But I think they said this will make like a lot easier for like parking, drop offs, and it's more convenient. And
it should make people entering the park and exiting like a lot better flow. So
yes, that's the goal. But it looks good.
Yeah, and it looks like there's lots of room if they want to expand more around the kingdom.
They got a lot of room out there.
Yes. So are we on to my number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. It's called Orion.
It is called Orion.
It is. It's a B&M Giga Coaster. It's got like I forget how tall the lift hill is. It's under 300 feet. But
it's like 290. Is it 295 or 296?
The lift hill is...
I think it's 296.
It's like 286 or something.
Is
290. It? But the drop is 300 feet. That's what matters. That's how you get the Giga.
It's a Giga, though.
I think it's a great looking layout. Our favorite of the Gigas in North America is Leviathan.
Yep.
We've said that many times.
Yes, I said it. You want to fight about it?
People probably think we're crazy. That's fine.
I rode Leviathan again this last summer. Oh,
it's fabulous.
Moly, is that good?
So, I think the Orion layout is very similar to a Leviathan.
Yes.
And it seems like it's going to offer a very similar ride, which is right up our alley. Mm-hmm. So, I can't wait to ride it. And I know some people are poo-pooing it because it's, just 300 feet. But I don't. It doesn't matter to me. I think it looks awesome.
You people, you get a Giga coaster.
You're
still complaining. Some of you.
Yeah.
Words.
Yeah. The entitled enthusiast is a little hard to take sometimes.
Ugh.
So
it's a freaking Giga coaster.
Just wait to judge it until you ride it.
Yeah.
Yes.
It looks awesome.
Yes.
My number 2 is Orion.
Okay. Copier.
I like Gigas.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Orion is a better name than Polaris.
Yeah, I do like the name. I like the theming. The whole area is going to get a facelift. I'm excited to see it. And hopefully we'll go to Coaster Stock, get the behind-the-scenes tour of everything. Yes, very excited. My number 1 coaster that
my number 1 coaster is the same thing, so let's just get out of the way.
It's probably most people's number 1. If it's not Orion, it's probably Iron Gwazi.
You guys see that picture?
Or Icebreaker.
Yeah. Or Icebreaker.
Yeah.
Did you guys see that picture Busch Gardens Tampa just posted of the drop? Holy
Looking straight. Yeah.
It's on the screen right now.
Yes.
But holy crap.
I can't believe... I mean, I had high expectations for this ride, but the more and more that they release photos, the more, awesome it looks and
I love the
ridiculous
purple.
It looks. Yeah. The purple looks great. They released the trains at IAPA in Florida.
They're pretty cool.
They're okay. I think
favorite.
They're not my favorite RMC train, but who cares what the train looks like? I think
the purple track.
Yes. I love the purple track. The lift hill looks insane. It's going to be the tallest, fastest, tallest and fastest hybrid coaster. Yep. Yeah, it looks fantastic. RMC, anytime you're on an RMC coaster, you're in a good place. So.
Doesn't it have the record over Steel Bench, like 4 feet or something like that? It's
of height, yeah.
It was like 1 to 5 feet or something.
Yeah, but it's not massively bigger than Steel Vengeance.
And I think even the drop's 1 degree more in.
Yep, yeah, it's steeper.
Something like that.
Yeah, I mean, good for them for breaking records, but I mean, whatever you got to do.
They can say it.
Yes, but I think, Steel Vengeance still will hold the record for airtime and length for a hybrid coaster. Yeah.
I'm not expecting it to be better than Steel Vengeance. Not because I was it just Steel Vengeance is just so much longer. It looks like
right. Well, I think Steel Vengeance, the fact that it is longer, it's able to offer more of an overall ride experience. I can't remember how many inversions Iron Gwazi has.
I don't remember either. I'm gonna try.
It's on the screen right now. It's probably 3 or so. But I'm really excited to ride it. We're going to be going to Florida to check it out in the summer of 2020.
I got top 10 top 10 coaster expectations for it.
Yeah, I would be surprised if it doesn't crack the top 10 of my personal favorite.
It looks awesome.
Yeah.
So
very excited to ride it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Iron Gwazi.
That's our list, people.
That's it.
You people.
No. What do you mean, you people?
All right. You know what I mean. We love you all, but just relax about Orion until you ride it. Yeah. Okay, so let us know, if you have a list of your 5 most anticipated of 2020, let us know what you think. Let us know what your list is. Let us know what you think about our list.
Yeah.
And I'm going to give the plugs unless you have something else to say.
Just so people don't scream at least me, I don't know about your Jersey Devil missed.
Jersey Devil, yeah, I consider that. I do really want to ride it, but I've been on Wonder Woman, the Cinderella coaster, and I was not happy with it. I didn't care for it.
This layout looks much better.
Yeah, I think this layout, I do think I would like this layout better.
Wonder Woman, it's very tight and compact. Mm-hmm. It's just no time to breathe. Which, for some people who love that, great. I like intense rides, but it's a little crazy. Mm-hmm. Jersey Devil does look great. I love the more out and back-esque look of it. Mm-hmm. The longer trains look cool, but it just missed.
Yeah.
Just missed.
Yeah, that'd be my number 6.
Like I had a pencil at 5 for a while, and
Yeah.
last like I thought, you know what, I'd rather ride the GCI. It's
Yep.
it's safer endeavor for me.
I agree.
After riding Wonder Woman.
And there's also Mako, the dive coaster out.
It's called Emperor.
Oh, and now it's called Emperor. That's right. Which I'm happy that they changed the name.
Yeah,
Good move.
Don't be Six Flags.
Right. That was smart. Good job, guys. And Icebreaker.
Icebreaker looks cool.
Is there any other big coasters in 2020?
That kind of cool looking coaster on the is it the Caribbean boat?
The cruise ship coaster. Yeah,
that looks really interesting.
It does. Shaq was sitting on the train at IAPA. So.
Yes, but I thought that looked pretty interesting.
Yeah.
There's a lot of it wasn't as crazy as I thought it was going to be initially.
Going into 20, yeah.
But it's still dang good though.
Yeah, it was a great year. And even some non-coaster rides in 2020, like at Cedar Point, the river expedition ride.
I don't know.
I forget what it's called, but I'm really excited to ride that because we're, grew up going on the paddle wheel excursion ride. So I think that's going to be fun.
The Aquaman ride.
The Power Splash, yep.
Where's that? Is that going to Fiesta? Or no, it's going over.
Yeah, over Texas. That'll be fun.
Looks interesting.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good stuff coming. So
yeah. So 2020 is going to be good.
Up and up. Looking good.
Yeah. So you can check us out on Instagram and Twitter at The Chain Lift. We got a store with some cool shirts at...
Sweet.
The link's below. It's at Teespring. The
There
Chain
you go.
Lift, yeah. We got the podcast speaker and iTunes.com. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right.
See ya.
Bye.